Finger Puppet Theater presents Julius Caesar. You want the crown? No. Seriously, you want the crown? No. Come on, you can tell me. Do you want the crown? I said no. Well, I guess he doesn't want the crown. Yay! Yeah, he wants the crown. Seriously. Seriously, Brutus. You should kill him. I don't know. You should kill him. I don't know. Die. Too brute. Caesar's dead! Yay! We're happy about it! Yay! Yeah, I killed him, but I'm really sad about it. I'm gonna let you finish, but friends, Romans, countrymen, lend me your ears. Lend him our ears? That's weird. I don't want to pull off my ears. Caesar's dead and you should be sad about it! War! Suckers. Now I can be in charge of Rome. Hey, baby, what you doing?